Wake up. Come sit over here, Joseph. Come have a seat.
I'm gonna sit right.
You can sit here.
Okay.
There you go. That's a good Joseph-sized spot.
Are you ready to tell Mom and Daddy night-night? Are you gonna go for a nap?
Night-night.
Some fun hair. My hair does that sometimes too.
Let's
Makes
go take a
Uncle Jeff
nap.
laugh.
Let's go upstairs, Joseph. Let me have those stickers.
Hold on real quick.
I don't want to go upstairs.
Wake up.
You gotta go upstairs for a little bit.
Sorry.
Wake up, wake up. It's time to wake up, wake up.
I need that. Okay, I'm gonna tell you
See, she
night-night.
looks kind of like that to me. Joseph,
Good night, Elizabeth.
We need to leave that downstairs. Let's go take a nap.
What's that?
I don't want to take a nap.
Well, we have to.
I don't want to.
We have to.
I don't want
Wakey, wakey.
No.
Wakey, wakey.
Let's go.
I've got you now. I've got you
Oh,
now.
be careful.
You can't get out.
I'm gonna be the first one up the stairs. Come on. I'm gonna be the first.
Hey, Sick'em Bears.
Night-night time.
Starting early, huh?
Go see Grandma.